In this video, I'm going to demonstrate multiple methods on how to detect a gas leak and some that you should avoid. Normally, the first indication of a gas leak is the smell. This odor can help determine the general area of the leak. Once that is determined, approved gas leak detection methods can be used to pinpoint the source of the leak. A few common areas where gas leaks can occur are unions, isolation valves, and flex lines. The most common detection method is using a gas leak detector solution. If it bubbles up, then you have found the source of the leak. It is best to use a store brand soap solution, but you can also make your own leak detector with a spray bottle, dish soap, and some water. The mixture isn't an exact science, but I use roughly a 50-to-1 ratio. Another method is using an electronic leak detector. These are very good at pinpointing the source of the leak, but also come with a higher price tag. A method that should never be used is a flame and is extremely dangerous. If you are unsure you have a gas leak and want to check, you can verify by reading your gas meter. This gas meter has dials which indicate how many cubic feet of gas are being used. For this test, you want to use the lowest quantity or fastest spinning dial. This meter has two dials, a half cubic foot of gas and a 2 cubic feet of gas. This means for every half cubic foot of gas used, the half cubic foot dial makes one complete rotation and the 2 cubic feet dial makes a quarter rotation. To complete this test, all gas appliances must be off, including their pilot flames, which should stop all the dials from spinning. With all the gas appliances off and the dials are now stopped, mark where the lowest gas quantity dial stopped. Don't use any gas appliances for at least 4 hours, with more time being better. The dials should have not moved from your mark within this time. If the dial moves, there's a gas leak somewhere causing it to spin. Once the test is complete, make sure to go back and relight all your appliances. Hey guys, I just want to leave you with a little bit of safety advice. Now, most people have a plan in place if there's a fire or a water leak, but very few have a plan if you actually have a gas leak. So there's basically two scenarios. First being, you just show up to your house, open up the door, you smell natural gas or propane gas. What you're recommended to do is leave the door open and then back away to a safe distance and call your local fire department or gas supplier. The second scenario being that you're already in the residence and you start to smell gas. In that scenario, they recommend opening up all the windows, exiting the residence to a safe distance, leaving the front door open, and then calling your fire department or local gas supplier. Well guys, thanks for watching, and like always, if this video helped you out, liking, commenting, subscribing is always greatly appreciated. Till next time.